What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. So for today's video, I am going to be playing with the front side of my new P.louise Watch the Queen Conquer palette. So in my last video, I played with this side, the pinks and the greens. So I wanted to play with the front side, which is some purples, some maroons, and some pinks. I remember back when I first started my channel, I had the hardest time blending purples and pinks together. Like, it was like my biggest thing, like the hardest thing I could ever do. We don't know her no more. We don't know a girl who can't blend purple and pink anymore, because this girl right here can do it. So for my next video, I don't know if it'll be my exact next video, because I am expecting a package today with another palette. TikTok made me buy it, so I am expecting that today. So I don't know if my exact next video is going to be using both sides of the palette together, but that is the plan, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you want to see me do both sides together to see what I could come up with. So yeah, so here's the purple and pink side. I am just going to be mainly focusing on my eyes today, but I am going to do my base silently. So if you guys want to see also too, like how I achieved my base makeup, I will be doing that as well. So yeah, so if you want to see how I created this gorgeous face of makeup, then you already know what to do. Please keep on watching. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelid with my P.louise base in the shade Rumor number 2. So of course I wanted to play around with the back side, or I wanted to play around with the front side of my Watch the Queen Conquer palette. So again, this is what she looks like. If you missed my first video, I'll go ahead and leave the little thing up above so you guys can check it out. So I'm going to start by taking the Shade Takeover, and I'm just going to take it on a packing brush. And I'm going to go down at an angle, so I'm only going to do like a half cut crease so I could fill in all of this back space and everything right now. So I'm going to pack this down in the shape that I want, right along the tape, and then about right here. I really wanted to focus on the purples, so the next shade that I'm going to be taking is the shade Let's Play, which is, there's really only like 3 purples in this purple side. There's like some maroons, but only 3 purples, which is very interesting. So I'm just going to take this is a Morphe E17 brush, and I'm going to start applying it right next to that first shade, just kind of little windshield wiper motions, but also little tiny circles. Next, I'm going to take the shade Grandmaster. We're just kind of going down the row at this point. I'm going to take this on a Just Up Multi 12 brush, which is even more tapered or fluffy. And now this is going to start turning it pink, even though this is like a purpley shade. This is where the pink is really going to start to come in. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the shade right next to that one as well, and that one's called Fun and Games. And I'm going to take this one on a Doll Beauty DB13 brush. So this is really tiny, so I could stay nice and precise. that. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the shade Champion just to really soften that blend up. Sorry about that noise. My child is riding one of those little poppy bikes. Ones that go pop, 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 pop. Obviously you can hear it. Those are the vibes. I'm gonna re-intensify that blend and cut out my crease, and then we can come back. Hopefully it'll be a little bit quieter. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down this P.louise Basic Bright in Winter Rose. Okay, so here's where the fun part is about to happen. So I am gonna go back in with all of the shades that I previously used to blend, but I'm going to take them this way. So we're starting off with Takeover, which is the deepest purple in this palette. And I would say this is even like a midnight purple, so like some blue into it, you know what I mean? So, and then I'm gonna take the shade Let's Play, which is a true purple. Grandmaster is next. And I'm just taking these on the same brushes that I used to blend them out on top. Fun and Games. It's all shits and giggles until someone giggles and shits. And then on a packing brush, I'm going to take the shade Champion to set down the rest. Okay. So now I'm going to do a little glitter liner moment. I'll do some swatches. So I'll take this shimmer shade Boss Up. Make It Count, and Elevate. So Boss Up, Make It Count, and Elevate. I'm going to take those purple, pink, white. Okay, so I'm really happy with how that turned out. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do my face makeup, and then I'll do it like real quick, you know, fast forwarded through. That way we can just really focus on the eyes like we did in the first P.louise video that I did. So let's go ahead and remove this tape, because I think that's always like pleasing, you know. Oh, bitch. Okay, here we go. Whoosh. Okay, so now that we're looking real good, I think it looks real good. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the shade Takeover. So we're just gonna keep the same shades that I used before. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it most of the way in. Ooh. Then I'm gonna take the shade Let's Play. So basically just gonna take most of the same colors and just blend this out. So now we're going in with Grandmaster. And then I'm just gonna skip right ahead to the shade Checkmate. Right there. Now I'm gonna take my white little pencil here. I'm gonna put this right in here. Okay, so here is the completed look. So as far as my lip combo goes, I went in with the LA Girl lip liner in Natural Cream. I went in with this bullet lipstick. My kid got into it and lipstick everywhere. This is the Bite Beauty lipstick in Sorbet, and then I went in with Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss in the shade Peach Tea right on top. Really cute, like pinky nudie lip. I also popped in these contacts. These contacts are from the Secret Vision Boutique in the shade Glacier Purple, and I do have a code with Secret Vision. You could use code 381makeup to get 10% off your order. These lashes are also from Secret Vision Boutique, and these ones are in the style Candy with a K. I'm actually really happy with how the P.louise palette is performing. Both sides work really, really well. I think that both of them have really beautiful colors in it, and they blend so like effortlessly, and like it's just so good. If you do not have it, I highly would recommend getting this palette. It is so stunning. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. And without further ado, we're gonna go right on ahead. Roll the clip.